High upon the gallows tree swung the noble-hearted three, by the vengeful tyrant stricken in their bloom. We met them face to face in the courage of their race, and they went with souls undaunted to their doom. Singing, God save Ireland, cried heroes. God save Ireland, cry we all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, what matter when for Ireland dear we fall? Gird around the cruel foe, still their courage proudly rose. The thought of hearts that loved them far and near, or the millions true and brave, or the ocean's swelling wave, true to France and holy Ireland ever dear. Singing, God save Ireland, cry the heroes. God save Ireland, cry we all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, what matter when for Ireland dear we fall? Climbed they up the ragged stair, rang their voices out in prayer. Then will England's fatal cord around them cast. Close beside the gallows tree, kissed like brothers lovingly, true to home and faith and freedom to the last. Singing, God save Ireland, cried heroes. God save Ireland, cry we all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, what matter when for Ireland dear we fall? Never till the final day shall in memory pass away of the gallant lives thus given for our land. On the cause must go amidst the joy, the weal, the woe, till we make our island nation free and grand. Singing, God save Ireland, cry the heroes. God save Ireland, cry we all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die.